It's residential key for Schlage. We'll learn how to cut this key by bittings. At first, turn on the 2m2tank CNC key cutting machine. Enter the option key database. Click Residential Key. Find the first letter S. Choose the option Schlage. Click the fourth profile. Select the second one, 6 cuts. This time, we use standard clamps. Here is a guided animation of key installations. Install the key blank depending on the guide animation. Click Continue. The key bittings are 1, 4, 6, 3, 5, 4. We input the key bittings on the application. If all is clicked, we'll click Cut.